Wait a minute. Auntie Marion, I would like you to tell me in detail how you make your unique marmalade.
Okay. I don't know that it's a unique marmalade because it was Granny's recipe, but we make the Seville Orange Marmalade in January because that is the only time of the year when the oranges are available in the shops in this country. Now we start off with 3 pounds, what the metric equivalent is I don't know, 3 pounds of oranges and 6 pints of water and 6 pounds of sugar, preserving sugar, because preserving sugar is easier to make the marmalade with, it's quicker and more effective in getting the marmalade to set. So we take the oranges and we wash and scrub them, cut them in half and squeeze out the juice and the pips. We strain the juice into the preserving pan, and any bits and pieces, the pips and any odd pith, go into a muslin bag, and that is kept separate at the moment. Now we do that with every orange, so that at the end of it we've got all the juice in the pan and all the odd bits in the bag, which is tied up and then tied with a piece of string to the edge of the pan, and that goes in the pan with the juice. We then add 6 pints of water, and that is boiled, cooked and cooked and cooked until the peel is, I've missed out something. What do we do about that? The peel, I must go back over my tracks on that one, Michael. Before the peel is put into the pan, it has to be put through the mincer to made into pieces. It is then put into the pan with the juice and the water and boiled until it is soft. When it is very soft and it can be squeezed with the fingers, the sugar is then added, and then it is cooked, and it is cooked for a length of time until a spoonful of it can be put onto a saucer and left to cool, and a fine skin appears across the top of it. That is what we call the setting point of the marmalade. Now whilst we're doing all that, the jars have been cleaned, washed, and they're prepared and they're warmed. If they're not warmed, when the hot marmalade is put into a cold jar, the jar will crack. So we've got the pots already nice and warm, and we remove the pan from the heat and we fill the pots. We then gently wipe them and seal them down with the screw-on tops. And then when the pots are cold, we label it. And I usually label it with Marion's Pantry and the date of the marmalade.
Well, I have marmalade every morning that you've made for many years. I'm just amazed how many years the marmalade can be consumed without it going stale.
Well, I think that is because there are no additives in it. You've only got the oranges, water and sugar. There's nothing else. There's no gelatine. Shop marmalade has a lot of gelatine, which is a setting agent, and I think it's all those things that are put into it that take away the timekeeper of it.
Well, I'm going to eat your marmalade for as many years as I've got the jars. Thanks very much, Auntie.